The beginning. The beginning of the end of the beginning. All right. Cool. Hey guys, today and it's alive. We're going to be making one of my favorite dishes. Well, I guess it's not a dish. One of my favorite foods. Hey guys, today and it's alive. Hey guys, today and it's alive. We're going to be making Gravlax or lox. It's a nice cured salmon that we're going to slice real thin. We'll put it over a little bagel or a little bialy, whatever you're into. But we're going to do it. I got some real nice Atlantic salmon. I'm sorry, that's not it at all. It's not from the Atlantic Ocean by any means. What I meant to say is I have some really nice Alaskan salmons. Quick preparation, takes about 3 or 4 days. Super easy to do. Let's get started, huh? I'll get the fish. You feel good? You feel good with that? Do you feel good with that? Yeah, all right, we're going to take that. But it all starts with the fish. This is one of those dishes that there's only a few ingredients, so you really want to get the best possible fish possible. The best possible fish possible. Yeah, well, yeah, you do. Look at this, nice. You know, could you do this with you can go, you live in Oregon, all right, and you went fishing or something, and you caught, or you live up in Alaska where this beauty came from, and you catch it fresh, and you want to make a lox real quick. I recommend a high, quick, deep freeze. You know, you can get some information online for like time periods, but some fish, you know, it's just a fact of life. It could have worms and parasites in it, and freezing it, this is why they do it in the sushi world, kills those things. So because we're not cooking this and we're going to cure it, I like to use a previously frozen fish. So yeah, the fat, like when you get like a nice like king salmon or like a farmed salmon, you know, farmed king usually, in between the beautiful orange meat, there's like those little white lines, which is like a connective-y fatty tissue, which is delicious. When you cook it, it's like real buttery and it's fantastic. I love that. For this preparation of curing it, I don't like the big fatty content. What we're trying to cure, and what I love about lox is that you're preserving the flesh of it. And the fat just doesn't really translate very desirable for me. So something like a soho or a soho or a coho, or I'm sorry, sockeye or a coho, soho. A sockeye or a coho would be, is perfect. Let's start with our spice grinder, okay? The bay leaves, I like to tear out that little rough stem kind of rib in there and just get the, oh my God. Oh, it smells so good. I love bay leaves. I don't know if I've said that before, probably like 35 times. Peppercorns. What do we got, Brad? Peppercorns, we're going to do 2 teaspoons. Boom. I'm going to do 2 and 3/4. So this I don't mind bringing into a pretty decent powder. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, that works. That works for me. I'm going to add the turmeric right to it. Turmeric. Hey, Sola, how do you say this? Turmeric.
I pronounced the R.
Turmeric. Yeah, I guess you should, huh?
I thought there wasn't an R in it. There is?
Oh, big time. Oh, bless your heart. 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Turmeric. Rotisserie, who cares? Okay, then next we'll do 1/4 cup of salt. 1/4 cup of salt. Hold on, let me get a little bowl. Okay. Turmeric.
You pronounced the R.
Yeah, I mean, this is a recent development for me. I knew the R was there, I just never really I just say things wrong. We know this about me.
Yeah, we know and love it.
And we're going to do 1/8 cup of sugar. So, just half of a 1/4 cup. Great. I'm going to go grab a little Maraspa beer, okay? You stay here. Look into that. Be right back. Yeah, I gotta go. So I couldn't find the Maras, so I found the Korean substitute. So look, that's our spice mix. Our curing agent is the salt and the sugar. Everything else is just a nice aromatic. I don't know if I said this before, old Hunzi, but you want a piece with the skin on. Okay? Helps keep everything together nice. Next up, we just cover it all with the salt and sugar. We're gonna wrap it with plastic, and then you get this in the fridge for like, it's Tuesday, it'll be done on Friday. And you're gonna cover it all over. You wanna cover all faces, every bit of it. I'll even flip it. Nothing is penetrating through the skin really, but for peace of mind, I like to coat it a little too, all right? And it'll help dye the skin a little, I don't know, just makes me feel better. Okay, next. A little plastic, okay? No big deal. Well, I gotta go soon. I gotta chat with the boss at 3:30. That's right, take a little break and get yourself a Yoo-hoo, all right? They still make Yoo-hoo? When's Claire gonna make it? Now we got our nice little plastic wrap. Okay? God, we're so close. But look, get yourself a cake tester, a needle, something thin, pointy, sharp. Okay? And what we're gonna do is prick some holes. Boom, through the plastic. If you can get through the skin, even better. All right, and you do that only on the skin side. What I like to do is get something like this, a little perforated unit, okay? It doesn't have to be, I just don't like things that sit in the liquid. You could just do this in a baking dish, put some paper towels down or a little rack or something, anything that you can get it above. We have our holes in the bottom, okay, the skin side, that goes down. And then you want to get, people take like two tomato cans, you want to weigh it. You want to press it a little bit and weigh it down. And what I'm going to do is fill that with I have these really cool ball bearings. Anything that's going to give it weight. You can put rocks on there for all I care. Something that's just going to press it and weigh it. It's going to let the liquid drip out of the bottom, meanwhile brining it all, keeping it all in there, oxygen off of it, and it's going to be Gravlax. It's going to be great. Let me get my ball bearings, bud. Yeah, hide them. People steal these. Hot commodity. Don't worry about it. What are you, a cop? What are you, a co-op? A lot of questions today, Hunzy. I'm the one wearing a wire, but you're making me nervous. We use them for pie weights, but they're great for Gravlax weights. I'm going to pop it in the walk-in, right? Cabby. Unbelievable. All right. Hunzy, we'll see you. I got to go talk to the Bobs. We'll see you on Friday. Oh, no. Where's the ice scoop? Come on. No. Whatever, dude. Germ schmerms, you know? Are we living in bubbles? Oh! Laney. Oh, new desk for Gabriella, huh? Damn. She's really moving up. Just make a little lemon juice, bud. All right, got to go into the weekend strong. Oh. All right, where we leave off? We were making Gravlax. Oh, yeah. Got a bunch of oysters, too, our lovely friends at Island Creek. Woo-hoo! All right. Skadoodle, thanks for getting the door. One of these days, you're going to bust your ass. Okay. And there's our fish. Look at all the liquid it drained out. Look at that color. Turmeric. So we're going to rinse it, and then I want to add a little bit of pink peppercorn and a little salt to the outside again. And then the real masters are the slicers, the people that slice this up. Like I've been over to Acme Smoked Fish over in Greenpoint, and they just slice it so perfectly. It's truly an art form. I want to get a nice long blade, real sharp, nice clean poles, you know? You don't want to go hack with it. Clean pole. So I like it kind of thin, you know? Look at that, nice texture. And then also, if you wanted to cold smoke it, now is where you would let it sit out in the refrigerator for a few hours, maybe overnight, and that's where you get that nice pellicle formation on the outside. And then you would smoke it at a low temperature, like 100 degrees, 80 degrees, 70, as cold as you can get it. You just want to get that smoke to stick to the outside and not necessarily cook it. We're just going to make I got these really nice little breakfast rounds. Orzery? I think that's how you say it. Ozary? Ozary. How would you say that? Ozary? Osery. Anyway, I love these things. I eat them for breakfast all the time. This has got nice grains in it. There's some fruit in it. They toast up nice. It's better than just, I mean, don't get me wrong. I love a bagel. I love a good bialy. But this is just a little different, and it goes really nice. Little cream. I do the same thing as you would like a bagel. Spread little cream cheese, little red onion, little caper. So I'm going to toast a couple of these up. We'll put a little cream cheese on it, and we'll build a little salmon-y thing here. I'll get some pink peppercorns. Where the hell's the toaster? Oh, it's down there. Let's see. Let's toast that up nice. Toaster doesn't really work that well. Hey, Pop. Right behind you, Sola. Ooh, you smell that? Woo! Oh, yeah, hotcakes. All right, cool. Perfect timing, Hunziker. Mr. Hunziker, please come down to the principal's office immediately. All right, and look, I did a nice little pink and black peppercorn mix. Look at that color, huh? Ain't that something? She's gonna do a nice little peppery coating on here. Nice. A little cream cheese. Oh, cheese. All right, hold on. Let me just follow the directions. There's the correct way to open these, and that's how you should open them. All right, the animals that just cut it ain't right, man. Package directions I usually follow, depending. Sometimes I open. Never mind. Yeah, like cereal. Nice, you know, cut that little glue, let it go nice. None of that, oh, it looks like a woodchuck got in it. Damn woodchucks. All right, capers, right? Gotta have capers. I'm gonna chop them up just a little. That's the move. Next, we'll do the fish, okay? Yeah, bud, look at that, huh? Then I'll do a little red onion, too. Just gonna give it a little cut, all right? Half for you, half for me, bud. Okay, look, we'll even put it on a little plate. And just a little bit of olive oil. Oh, just a little drizz. Nice.
Brad, I want to tell you a story. It's about a boy who worked on a station called Station 3.
Yeah, I didn't do any of this.
Things appear on his station.
Big
And he
whoop.
has to control
Andy, what did I contribute to your problems?
what is this?
Does this look like, is this mine? Is this my little workout cocktail shaker? No, okay? Salad spinners, I haven't used one in 5 years. This, not
What
mine.
about this?
Does that look like my cutting board? No, that's my cutting board. What's this, Andy? Why is this here?
This is mine.
Who put this here, Andy? Was this you?
Can I take a bite?
You know, this isn't working. I want a divorce. Oh, yeah, cut it.
Good.
Looks good. It needs more
I
salt.
want a little bit of lemon juice.
Ooh, a little lemon, yeah. Take a little bite. Let us know how it is. Woo! Andy's a tough one, too. Yes! We needed a W, Hunzy. After that ginger beer, put a little lemon on it. Lemon bay. Stupidest thing I've done all week. Chris, you want a little nibble, bud? That liquid's just lemon juice.
Is this the one you set up like 3 weeks ago, or is this?
No, it's fresh, bud. Fresh.
All right.
Andy ate it.
Around seafood, you have to ask the hard questions of Brad specifically.
Let me try it, too.
What is that?
It's delightful, Chris.
Wow. It's like
Curveball.
It's like a Jersey crumpet. I love it.
Yeah. Not bad.
The pepper, I think, is like really, really cool. When he had me just like smell this, you know, and it's like the expressiveness just of pepper.
Pink and black.
You know?
Magic.
And black, like how amazing is that?
Gabby, have a snack. Right? Gravlax. Easy. Delightful. Done in 3 days. Here. Easy to make, delicious. Use it in, I say 5 days.
Friday, that one?
For you, Gabby, yes. You know, I can make another one. You eat that one.
Thank you. Delicioso.
Thank you, Gabby. Easy to make. You know? Cut that. Easy. You know who's a home run? Oh, yeah, you know what I showed up with? Oh, Brad, bring something. Yeah, okay, I'll bring like potato chips and onion dip. Nope. Boom! Gravlax, baby. I made it myself. It's cool. Oh, wild Alaskan salmon. No problem. Where'd you learn about that? It's a really cool guy named Brad Leone. He's on YouTube. Check it out. Bon Appétit, baby. Best outro ever. I felt great about that. All right? It's a wrap, Hunzy. Lunch is on me. Feeling good. All right, that's it. Turn that freaking machine of yours off. Turn that time machine of yours off. Here. I did what you wanted, all right? Now hide me and my family. Out of the walk-in.
I got stuff to do.
No, you don't. You got stuff to do, like get out of the walk-in. What are you doing, drinking beers, bud? Yeah, Friday, baby. Oh, look at that guy. All right, cool off, cool off.
Did they turn out well?
Yeah. If I was, going to make a recipe, I would adjust the salt a little bit, but
Can
it's,
I try it?
yeah. Salt, sugar, turmeric, pink peppercorn.
Pink peppercorn is very there.
Nice, right?
Wait, offlining here.